Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lisk. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Lisk first broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that it was dropped at the support of a big broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And this was my last video that I shared with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, after testing the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, the price line is geared up, and at the same time the price line also tested this support, this red line. That is the EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart, the exponential moving average 21. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. And I would also like to show you this very massive support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well that we have broken out. And now it can work as a long-term support for the price line of Lisk. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Lisk that I shared a few days ago on 6th of May 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 10% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Lisk that I shared on 6th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Lisk formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line once again dropped down inside this buying zone and pumped very well, hit the sell target zone here. Then we had a bigger pump, and so far it has pumped almost 10%. And before that, we caught almost 35% pump, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal, AB equal to CD move, that Lisk was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped down inside this buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal, and it was almost 35% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, I shared this idea on 28th of January 2024 with my members. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Lisk, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously it was moving inside this very massive and big falling wedge pattern since after the month of Feb 2021, and finally we broke it out here in the month of October 2023, and from this low to the current high, it was almost 389% pump, but the price and once again got rejected by this long-term resistance of $3.25. That was previously working as a resistance here, and now again it worked as a very strong resistance. At the same time, the price line also got rejected by this uptrend line resistance. That is in fact the resistance of a broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see whenever the price line is getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs, and this time it is again getting bounced from the support of the broadening rising wedge pattern, and also got bounced from this support of EMA 21 support as well. And this time if the price line will be read the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, then it can hit this resistance somewhere here, approximately at $5.80 to $6. And by the way, during this rally, we have also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. In case the price line breaks down the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, then if it will break down the support, then the support of the Ichimoku bearish cloud, because the previous resistance of the Ichimoku bearish cloud can now work as support. Therefore, I'm calling it as a support now. And this support will be approximately here at $1.12. And in case the price then breaks it down from here, then this time the support is approximately at $1.60. And here we have a quite firm support, because already $1.60 level is also working as a very long-term support. If we take a look at the previous history of this support, then we can see that previously this $1.60 has been previously working as a support here, almost as a support here as well, and resistance here. And now again, it is working as a support. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very big breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is by the way here at the top of the wedge. That is between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.